Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Banggood tool video. In this video I'm going to be reviewing some Cobalt twist drills that Banggood have sent us. Before I start, I want to get one or two things perfectly clear. The first thing is Banggood don't make drills. Banggood are an import company. They import goods from China. The second thing is Banggood have sent me these drills to do with whatever I want. They're free of charge, they're meant to keep, give away, whatever. The only payment I suppose I'm going to get is my opinion on the twist drills. And I can assure you, my opinion, to be honest, I don't need to tell stories. I'll put them through their paces, good or bad. At the end, I suppose I'll have to make a decision whether I think they're worth spending money on or not. I suppose we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Being as what are twist drills, I suppose most of the video will be about drilling holes. I'm not going to drill bits of aluminium. I've got some decent stuff to drill, some AN8, some stainless, some real hard stuff. I'll have a play with them and see what they can do. I have actually used them, I've had them for a week or so and I've used them a few times. Up to now they've been alright to do exactly what they're supposed to do. This is the set of drills. They don't come in a packet or a box, they just come loose. They go from 1 to 10 up in 0.5 intervals. On the base of the drill, or the shank of the drill, it's got a rotor on 10mm HHS plus CO. So it's a 10mm drill, high speed steel plus cobalt. They've been properly sharpened, been double ground. See the backs, the drill's been relieved there. They look nice, they're very sharp. Quite heavy as well. There's a lot more weight in a drill like that than there is in a high speed steel drill, so they obviously have got cobalt in them. Anyway, I think all we can do with them is drill some holes. I'm going to start off by drilling some mild steel. I'm going to use a 5mm drill because that's the drill I used in the last test. In the last set of Banggood drills I had. First thing is, it runs nice and true. There's no wobbles or... A little bit of cutting oil. Right, that's absolutely warping through there. I'm going to draw one of those straight through. Right, that's enough of that. It obviously pairs with mild steel. I'm going to put a 10mm drill through the 5mm hole I've already drilled. Right, and that's obviously having no problems at all going through there. Nasty stringy chips coming off it. Right, so mild steel, not a problem. Right, this is stainless steel. It's actually a bit of stainless steel that defeated the 5mm high speed drill from the last set of drills I tested. Right, that's not having much problem at all drilling the stainless. Right, so it's drilling through the stainless steel without much drama at all. This is stainless steel Hex Ball. It's what I used when I did the portal tool test. Right, we'll try a bigger drill through that hole. Slow things down a little bit. I must admit I'm quite impressed. It's taking very little effort to push that drill through there. Right, look, shuffle. Right, and that's through. And if you wanted to abuse it, you could try drilling a hole without a pilot hole, which you wouldn't really do, but we'll see what happens. I'm just drilling it. I must admit I'm impressed. The high-speed steel drills I did the review on the last time wouldn't even mark this. Right, that's AN8. This is a 4mm drill. Not a problem at all with that. I've got a little tool holder on there. That's hard. We'll try drilling a hole in that. Right, it's actually drilling it. I didn't expect that to drill there, but it is. That is severely hardened. I don't know how hard it is, what actual hardness it will be, but it's certainly pretty hard. That surprised me. I thought that would kill the drill. It hasn't done it any harm at all. Try a bigger one. Now I'm just using speeds that I think are right, or that sound right, or that feel right, because it's basically, this is a review of drills that are going to be used by an amateur. This isn't a professional workshop by any stretch. There's nothing the matter with that. Right. I think that's enough drilling holes. Okay, we've spent a little bit of time drilling quite a few holes in a variety of materials. The drills have done exactly what they're supposed to do, they've drilled holes. Would I buy a set of these drills to use in my shop? Absolutely. Value for money, I think they'll take a lot of beating. I'll put a link in the title of the video. If you want to go and have a look, go and have a look. I get nothing for Banggood selling drills. All I'm going to get out of this whole issue is this nice set of drills, which I'm quite happy to accept and use. I think they're good value anyway. Thanks for watching.